Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a symbol to your watch list on the Webull application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the watch lists button down below in the left side corner of the screen. Then click on the menu icon in the upper left corner and select your watch list, tap on it, and then click on this add a symbol button in the middle of the screen marked with a plus icon. Then you should type in the name of the symbol and then click on the plus icon if you would like to add to your watch list. Select your list and click on the done button down below. As you can see, you can add as many as you would like to by repeating the same steps. Tap on cancel when you are done, and here you can see your items added to your watch list. So tap on it and you can check them out in more details. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.